Hey everybody, what's up? I wanted to show you guys my shrinker stretcher stand that I built for my Harbor Freight shrinker and stretcher heads. Built this thing about a year ago, maybe a little longer, give or take. Um, you can get you used to could get a Harbor Freight stand for it, and it was absolute trash, just horrible. It flexed, it moved everywhere. It wasn't very good, so over engineering, like I like to do, I built myself these gnarly pedals. I changed the pivot point for the leverage and the spring setup. Used some leftover 2x4 3/16 tubing for the legs and a piece of 3x3 3/16 wall tubing for the vertical run here, and some 1/4" plate for this top, along with some 1/4" for the gussets. Then I had it powder coated. I left it raw for a while, but people kept coming by the shop and they would put their arms on it and touch it. And it stayed good for about 6 months, minus the part where people put their damn hands. So anyway, I got it powder coated last summer. That's pretty cool though. I just wanted to show you all that. I also did some of the recommended tune-up tips for the shrinking heads and the stretcher heads that you can find over on Lazzy Metal Shaping's YouTube channel. He's got some tips on there for adjusting the rods. And the little clips that hold the jaws in. I don't know if you can see it, but I've had to put a shim under this one to take out some of the slack. And these actually work really good now, especially with the extended leverage of the longer foot pedal. So that is my polished turd, as you could call it, using some cheap China shrinker and stretcher heads that actually make nice parts now. So thanks for watching. Hammer down.